It's also really important, especially for people that are sick or at all immune compromised, is that you're not introducing toxins to clean toxins. So you want to try to use things that are natural, that are gentle on your body, that are health affirming instead of, I guess the best way to say this is, I think it's really important that people are not thinking, how do I kill it? Like how do I kill the mold? How do I make it go away? Like, kill it off as if you were doing a hospital cleaning for like bacteria or something. And I think one of the biggest misnomers about cleaning is that you're trying to kill things and you're trying to use like a chemical product to kill them, because just like anything else, mold is smart. Fungi are smart. They can adapt to survive. And so you don't want to create an additional problem in your wood furniture and things like that, where, you create a mold that can thrive despite some kill product that you're using to clean it. Because mold's ubiquitous. It's going to come in from the outside. It's going to come in on your clothes. It's going to come in on your pets. So you just want to make the environment not hospitable for it to take hold and become a problem.
Yeah, that's a good point to bring up, because one, you are going to be exposed to mold for the rest of your life. So developing a, mold focused cleaning strategy is something that just helps keep those mold counts low in your home in general, irregardless of if a pipe leaks or there's some water source that creates a, mold breakout. And so even Jennifer and I, we love the products you guys have because we use them to this day, especially with washing your clothes in the mold solution you have, because, you take a walk outside in the fall weather, which is why we're doing this mold series in the fall, and the mold counts are very high. Like, you go look at research studies for most of the world, fall is when stuff has had time to grow. It is getting that high moisture, lower, cooler temperatures, and off it goes. And so having something that knocks that back even on the clothes you wear outside for a walk is just really nice for your body and for keeping the inside air of your home clean. But the strategy you use and the products you use, you don't want to bring in stuff that's harming your body in other ways. Like, we just celebrated the National Parkinson's Day of Action, and one of the major exposures for Parkinson's and neurological diseases is cleaning products and the off-gassing VOCs and the chemicals that they have, in addition to, pesticides and food exposures. So you can't be fighting mold to try to take your health back and then bring in these highly toxic things that are supposedly supposed to kill it, which we know, if you really do the deep research, doesn't kill it. It's too smart. And then give yourself brain conditions because you're overwhelming your house with like toxic cleaning. Like, everything in life is this really tricky tightrope that you're walking on of picking enough, but not, too much or something that's detrimental. It's a learning process.
Yeah. I mean, and you want to, like, you're trying to create the healthiest little sanctuary for you